So this is Los Crans and Crenshaw. This is Los Crans and Crenshaw 2018. 2018. This is the Dapointe Lodge owned by Gossin. This was the place that Gossin put charged, brandished a loaded high-capacity ammunition shotgun on me. I mean, for some reasons I misplaced the video, but I know somebody out there has the video. But I haven't had time to track who they are. You know? This was the place Gossin charged his weapon on me, threatened me, and left his business with Obi. This is the place where Yahoo's boys used to come and spend millions of dollars every night. I mean, the purpose of opening this business was for the terrorists and scammers whom the FBI indicted for $80 million fraud. 77 of them were 80, alongside Hush Puppy. At least 50 has been deported. Others ran away. About 2 or 3 are still in jail. Gossin brandished charged his weapon on me, assaulted me, and eventually transferred the weapon to an unknown Nigerian, who finally, after charging the weapon on me, released the bullet to gun down my leg. As God my habit as an athletic basketballer and a cybernetic officer, I jumped up and the bullet passed under my leg and hit the Timberland Tuche porch, a pharmacist who lives in Hollywood. I tendered this case to Rotten PD. They ignored me. I tendered this case to Gardena PD. They told me certain jurisdiction and they escalated the case to American State Department. You understand? So this is P&J. This is P&J store where I was assaulted yesterday because I threatened to report him for wiring money without having money, like the Bureau license. This is Hairmasters that belongs to Peter Kadana, where the Nigerian scammers used to camp, where Obi Chuku 7 loader had a situation with somebody 2018. And the person eventually passed away after he was stabbed during the fight. And I tried to summon the American Police Department and he ran away. And I heard he hit the dollar tree behind P&J. And the internal bleeding killed him there or whatsoever. I don't know, I'm not a forensic expert. Gossin testified he cashed out more than $10 million from COVID small business loan that was issued for business loss, claiming he has over 100 staff, whereas Gossin has only very 4 staff, and he hardly paid them, or he owed them, or withhold their payment and delay it. I mean, Obon says Gossin still owe him $5,000, and when Obon demanded for the money, Gossin threatened him with a gun. That's another situation. This is P&J I've been coming here more than 15 years. The only reason why P&J conspired my assault yesterday, assaulted me, robbed me of $7,000 sent to me by Tochku, Malaysia to shop for him for TLLL footwear business. P&J is not happy with me because I refused to introduce him to where I buy cell phones at reduced prices from auction. Why I had a BlackBerry contract with BlackBerry Rim. I've appealed to P&J more than 100 occasions, even posted it online. This is P&J. If you're a Nigerian or if you're listening to me, or you know anybody who is in California, I will mount up 17 cameras around here and be streamlining everybody and every activity happening at P&J. If P&J says he has the change license that he used to wire more than $80 million between 2011 and knowing him to 2025 today, let him tender the change license. I mean, I have Udo's account number and I will have DSS and EFCC print out his account activities. Let Udo say what business he does in America or what license he has to change money. P&J, the March told me you said I'm banned from coming into your business. That's hell no. I'll be coming into your business every day till the court gives me a court order to stop coming into your business. Then I will jet off to White House and meet Donald Trump and Elon Musk. This is Jerry's place. This is Jerry. You know. This is Jerry. Jerry, in more than 17 occasions, I've appealed to Jerry to sanitize her office and stop selling food while her license is suspended. And Jerry said I'm a mad person. 2017, under the order of Jerry and Uzoma Timothy Anyang, who is a licensed therapist, according to him, in Los Angeles. I'm here to go to his job and call Board of Health to find out why Tim, who more than 10 occasions says I'm a madman, I'm hallucinating, threatened me with a kitchen knife at Lotimi 2018 because he said I'm a CIA sleeper cell, and held me hostage with Jerry. This is Jerry's kitchen. I spent more than $200,000 here, eating here for the past 15 years. I'm classified as Jerry does not have disability access, does not have air vents, does not have working refrigerator, have illegal people cooking for her, have no authorized payment system, cooks expires food, doesn't sanitize her shop, doesn't have a working restroom. My ex-girlfriend, Ella, Barrister Ella, 8th year 2015, wanted to use the restroom. Jerry said no. She has miscarriage. Mohammed is a witness. Rotimi is a witness. If you're a Nigerian listening to me, and I see you at Jerry's or P&J, then you're going to appear on TV, and you tell America what you know. For people who think I'm a joker, Dawson office has been shut down and he ran to Nigeria through Mexico. I've shut down Goshen shipping shop for scamming me. I've shut down Goss's shop for threatening me, and that's attempted murder in America. Okay. The next shop I'm going to invite the CIA and FBI to investigate in America is going to be P&J. P&J, you said I cannot record in your shop because you sell alcohol without ABC license, right? You sell alcohol without ABC license, and You've wired more than $80 million to Nigeria. Tell me what license you have to change money and send money to Nigeria. P&J does not have a change the bureau license. You see this one running away because they're scammers in America. You buy shoes from me, you know me over 10 years. Why do you see me and start running away if you are clean in America? My mom ate from P&J and was sick for over 6 months. My uncle, Shadrach, before he died, told me he ate at P&J and had stomach ascites and GIT disorder, and he later passed away. P&J sells palm wine, which contains alcohol and origin and all those bitter drinks used for sex without license in America. I mean, ABC does not approve origin and all the drinks brought from Nigeria. Nwachukwu, who surprised P&J goose food stock, told me sometimes his goose lasts 2 years in the sea due to custom issues, and P&J will still be selling it. P&J, give me the FDA license you use to sell whatever you sell in your shop, right? Give me the production date of all the Nigerian foodstuff, ogili, oha, everything you sell. Tell me how you process them. Tell me the expiring date, and tell me where you source it from. If you're listening to me and you keep on going to P&J, I'm not threatening anybody. I'm an investigative journalist. But if my camera captures you at P&J and you appear on my YouTube, then you blame yourself. Watch out the movie.